The basic concept in transport engineering. Transport engineering is an important field of study that deals with the planning, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of infrastructures that supports the movement of people and goods. It is a complex interdisciplinary field that combines elements of civil engineering, urban planning, and policy. The basic concepts of transportation engineering are essential for understanding the principles of field and how it affects the modern world. The first concept in transportation engineering is the analysis of transportation networks. This process involves the study of various components of a transportation system, such as roads, bridges, and public transportation systems. This analysis helps to identify the most efficient and cost-effective ways of moving people and goods within a given region. The analysis also helps to determine the best routes and travel time between 2 points, as well as the environmental impacts of transportation on the local community. The second concept in transportation engineering is the design of transportation systems. This involves creating a plan for the construction and maintenance of transportation infrastructure, including roads, bridges, railways, and other forms of public transportation. This plan must take into account of local topography, land use, and population density, as well as the cost of material and labor. The third concept in transportation engineering is the evaluation of transportation systems. This involves assessing the performance of a transportation system, including its safety, reliability, and efficiency. This evaluation helps to identify areas for improvement and how to make the most of existing transportation options. It also helps to identify the most cost-effective solution for the future. The fourth concept in transportation engineering is the maintenance of transportation system. This involves the regular inspection and repair of transportation infrastructure to ensure its continued functionality. This includes the replacement of worn-out components as well as the regular cleaning and lubricating of moving parts. The fifth concept in transportation engineering is the management of transportation systems. This involves the coordination of transportation services such as buses, trains, and airports, as well as the overall supervision of the system. This includes the development of policy, the procedures to ensure the safety and efficiency of the system, as well as the monitoring of traffic pattern to identify areas of congestion or unsafety conditions. These five concepts are essential for understanding the principles of transportation engineering and how it affects the modern world. By understanding this concept, engineers can create safe, efficient, and cost-effective transportation systems that enable people and goods to move across a region. In addition, this concept can help to identify potential areas for improvement and how to make the most of existing transportation options. The history of highway engineering. The history of highway engineering is an interesting one and is a testament to the evolution of transportation and the engineering of roads and highways. From the first primitive roads used by ancient civilization to the sophisticated and efficient system we use today, highway engineering has come a long way. The earliest roads were likely built in ancient Mesopotamia and were likely constructed to enable the transportation of goods over long distances. These early roads were often made of stone, dirt, and gravel and were used mainly for military purposes and trade. As civilization developed and grew, roads became more intricate and the need of better infrastructure was increasingly recognized. In the Middle Ages, roads were improved by adding wooden planks and paving stones, making them more durable and allowing for better transport of goods. As the need for transportation increased, the concept of highway engineering developed, and great strides were made in the construction of roads and highways. The first major improvement came in the form of turnpike roads, which used tolls to fund the construction and maintenance of roads, making them far more efficient and reliable. The Industrial Revolution saw a major improvement in transportation, with the invention of the steam engine and the development of the railways. This allowed for a more efficient, faster form of transportation and led to the development of the modern highway. The first highway, made of asphalt and concrete, were constructed in the late 19th century and were designed to accommodate the increased demand of automobiles. These highways were more efficient and far more durable than the traditional roads of the past, enabling the transportation of goods and people over long distances. In the 20th century, highway engineering continued to improve as more advanced materials were developed and used in the construction of highways. Asphalt was replaced with concrete, which was more durable and capable of withstand heavy loads. Engineers also developed new systems for controlling traffic, such as traffic lights, road sign, and guardrails. These developments allow to improve safety on roads and highways and enable the transportation of goods and people in a more efficient and effective manner. Today, highway engineering is at its peak, with sophisticated systems in place to improve safety, reduce congestion, and improve the efficiency of transport. With advance in technology, highways are becoming increasingly sophisticated and efficient, allowing for faster and safer travel. As the need of transportation increase, highway engineering will continue to evolve, providing us with better roads and highways that are capable of meeting our needs. The different rules of transportation in the society. In today's society, transportation plays a vital role in connecting people and places. From delivering goods to providing access to service, transportation has become a necessary part of everyday life. By understanding the different roles of transportation, we can better appreciate its importance and strive to improve it. The first role transportation plays is in supporting the global economy. As goods and services are moved around the world, transportation has become a fundamental part of the global economy. Without it, the global economy would be greatly hindered, as goods and services would be unable to reach their destinations. Additionally, transportation has become a major source of employment, providing jobs to millions of people around the world. The second role of transportation is in connecting people and places. Without transportation, many people would be unable to access essential services such as healthcare, education, and employment. By providing access to these services, transportation is helping to improve the quality of life for people around the world. Additionally, transportation is beneficial in connecting people to each other, allowing for increased social interaction. The third role of transportation is in providing recreational options. By providing access to recreational activities such as sightseeing, camping, and hiking, transportation is helped to improve the quality of life for many people. Additionally, transportation allows people to explore new places and cultures, helping to foster a greater sense of understanding and respect for diversity. Finally, transportation is helping to reduce pollution and conserve energy. By providing access to public transportation, people are able to reduce their dependence on cars, reducing emission and helping to conserve energy. Additionally, transportation is being used to move goods in a more efficient and environmentally friendly way, reducing the amount of fuel needed to transport them. The factors affecting transportation. Transportation is a complex process that affects various aspects of our daily lives. From the way goods are moved to the way people travel, the factors that affect transportation can be divided into economic, environmental, political, and technological elements. Understanding these factors is important in order to develop effective transportation strategies. Economically, transportation is heavily influenced by the cost associated with it. The cost of fuel, maintenance, and labor are all factors that affect transportation cost. In addition, the availability of resources such as oil and natural gas can have a significant effect on the cost of transportation. The cost of vehicles and infrastructure such as roads and bridges are also factors that can influence the cost of transportation. Environmentally, transportation can cause a variety of issues, from air and water pollution to noise and congestion. The type of transportation used can affect the amount of pollution produced, as well as the types of pollutants that are released. Additionally, the amount of traffic on roads and highways can have an impact on air quality. To reduce these environmental impacts, it is important to consider the type of vehicle used, the type of fuel used, and the route taken. Politically, transportation is often subject to government regulation and policies. These policies can affect the cost of transportation, the type of vehicles allowed, and the type of roads available. In addition, government subsidies can influence the availability and cost of the certain modes of transportation, such as public transportation. Technologically, advances in transportation technology such as autonomous vehicles can have a significant impact on the way people and goods are transported. Autonomous vehicles offer the potential for increased safety, reduced congestion, and improved fuel efficiency. However, these technologies are still in their early stages and are subject to a variety of technical and legal issues. That's all. Thank you.